Hey, what's happening guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, as always, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up now, and comment down below on what you think about this video and about the haircut I'm going to be talking to you about today is the wolf cut. The wolf cut is this season's must-have cut, this year's must-have cut. It has 108 million views on TikTok already, and it has gone up on Pinterest by 70%. Why? Because it's probably the most accessible, cool girl look this year. Now, when you're looking at the wolf cut, you're thinking a lot. So when you're looking at the wolf cut, you're thinking a little bit feral, but cool. That little bit sort of, what's the words I'm looking for? That little bit sort of pulled through the bushes backwards, I suppose, is a phrase. I think that's a phrase. Or the hedge. That's it. Pull through the hedge backwards. That's the phrase, not bushes. And what it is where you've sort of pulled through and you've got all this sort of going on, this texture in the hair, and that is exactly what the wolf cut is. The wolf cut is a mashup between the mullet and the shag. And what we're talking about here is we're talking about that heavy fringe that we've still got going on, talking about a lot of volume that tapers down at the bottom. That is the wolf cut. The wolf cut is something that has taken over TikTok and just become this really incredible cool girl look. So when you're going to the salon and you're going to be asking for this, although if you go on TikTok, a lot of people are cutting it themselves, I would not advise that. What you are looking for is that you are looking for a heavy fringe, side fringe, bangs sort of fringe. That's what you're looking for, but very, very heavy. A lot of volume. So you're looking at the mullet-esque layers. So really, really short and through the front, and it sort of tapers out, but you're still keeping the length here. So you're not going to the mullet here, you're just keeping the length, which is like the shag. But you want those mullety sort of layers through there. That is what you're looking for. And then you're looking for the shagginess. So just mashing them both together, which is the wolf cut. I'm going to pop some pictures through this, so you've probably already seen them or you're going to see them now. And this is what we are looking for, inspiration for the wolf cut. So when you're looking at styling the wolf cut, you are looking for not a lot really. Maybe misting it with a little bit of beach, sort of beachy, salt sprays. Hair Shake and Joico is probably the go-to for me. Hair Shake, I'll link it down below so you can check it out. And if you want to buy it, buy it. But they are affiliate links, so I get probably 1% of the sale, which is probably around about 10p, but everything helps. So if you go down to the links below, you better see everything that I recommend in this video. But yeah, what I would recommend is Hair Shake by Joico. Hair Shake is a powder, or a liquid to powder, sorry, spray. You shake it, it's got a ball bearing in it, and it allows the product to sort of break up enough so it doesn't congeal in the bottom of the bottle. So you can spray it, you can use it in wet, you can use it in dry, you can use it whenever you want to style hair. It's unbelievable. So what you'll do is you'll get your hair wet, spritz a load of Hair Shake through it, blow dry it. You want to be getting a lot of volume, a lot of shagginess, and then once it's dry, Hair Shake again. You can just lift your layers up, spritz it in. I'm going to be doing the wolf cut on one of my girls in the salon in the next couple of weeks, which is why I'm doing this video. She inspired me. Georgie, you inspired me to do this video. So when we do your haircut, I'm going to film it for these guys so they can all see it. But yeah, Hair Shake, spray it through, mess it up. You can diffuse it in. Diffusing is one of the biggest things that I love to do right now in the salon and bring out loads and loads of texture in people's hair. So the wolf cut. Make sure if you are, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to do it, girl. That's it. Off TikTok. Just go to your hairdresser, take some inspiration, take the wolf cut, and yeah, live your best life. If you've enjoyed the video, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.